Ooh. Comes with this extra strap, Pagani leather alligator strap. $151. Strap changing tool. Here it is, folks. All wrapped up still. Here's the tag. Pagani design. And, well, it doesn't have the reference number on there. And, well, I can't remember it right now, so we'll check it out later. Little guarantee. And, yeah, guarantee card. Yeah. I think it's pretty much what you get. So here it is. Looks a whole lot like a Submariner. I had to find out. So let's take a moment. Let's undo it. Let's check it out. I have my awesome daughter right now working the camera so
Hi.
I can do this. There she is. Say hi to the world. Say hello, world. Because everybody around the world, people are watching this video. Look at that. Nice polishing. Pagani design here. It's got a twin deployment. That, and then that. You can see this is really nice. I'm going to make this 3 minutes, Cora.
Okay.
I think it's just after 3 minutes. You can stop it. Okay. So it's all wrapped up, super nice. Let's see. Haven't done a lot of these brand new like this. Let's get this off. And we'll kind of get through that.
Well, you have. It's just been a while.
Yes, thank you. Let's see. All right. There it is again. Almost there. Take that down. Maybe. It's like wrapped around. Well, they certainly sent it. So, folks, I'm going to do another video and just tell you about my experience. I ordered this directly from Pagani in China. Do you have pause? Okay. Almost done. Nice polishing. Real nice polishing. I mean, I don't know, folks. Pretty good. This is a homage watch. You can guess which one. A Rolex Submariner. This one looks really...
It really does look like one.
Really exceptional. I think so. Sapphire crystal. It's got a little sticker on there that tells you that. Sapphire crystal. People are always worried about that. Tell you what, this has got it. Keep in mind that price point. Unbelievable. So let's put it on wrist, and that'll be it. Here we go. And there it is.